Chippy, 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 chill! Juny, Tony! Hi, fire truck! How can I help you?
Juny, I have a tummy ache. My tummy growled while I was on patrol. So I farted, but it was a gray fart. It was a gray fart.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll fix you. Clank, clank, tink, tink, whir, whir, whir. Now, try to fart again.
Brap, 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 brap. I can fart, red fart again. Brap, 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 brap. My fart is red again. Yay!
Hi, motorcycle. How can I help you?
Tony, I have a tummy ache. My tummy growled while I was on my way. So I farted, but it was a gray fart. It was a gray fart.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll fix you. Clank, clank, tink, tink, whir, whir, whir. Now try to fart again.
Poop, 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 poop. I can fart, purple fart again. Poop, 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 poop. My fart is purple again. Yay! Hi, school bus. How can I help you?
Juny, I have a tummy ache. My tummy growled while I was on my way. So I farted, but it was a gray fart. Oh, it was a gray fart.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll fix you. Clank, clank, tink, tink, whir, whir, whir. Now, try to fart again.
Boom, 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 boom. I can fart, yellow fart again. Boom, 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 boom. My fart is yellow again. Yay! Hi, truck mixer. How can I help you? Tony, I have a tummy ache. My tummy growled while I was on my way. So I farted, but it was a gray fart. Oh, it was a gray fart. Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll fix you. Clank, clank, tink, tink, whir, whir, whir. Now try to fart again. Zonk, 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 zonk. I can fart, green fart again. Zonk, 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 zonk. My fart is green again. Yay!
Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better at JunyTony Hospital. Brave baby fire truck extinguishing the fire. Tell me where it hurts. My fire hose is all tangled. Don't worry, we'll help you get better. Untangle the hose, untangle the hose. Water is splashing out of the hose.
Baby police car protecting the town. Tell me where it hurts.
My light bar is broken. Don't worry, we'll help you get better. Flicker, flicker, flash. Flicker, flicker, flash. The light on the light bar became so bright. Yay! Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better at JunyTony Hospital. Mr. School Bus driving friends home. Tell me where it hurts.
There's a crack in my side view mirror.
Don't worry, we'll help you get better. Shiny new mirror, clearer view in the side view mirror.
Yay!
This race car speeding fast. Tell me where it hurts. My exhaust pipe is broken.
Don't worry, we'll help you get better. Tap, 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 vroom, vroom. Tap, 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 vroom, vroom. Swish, swish, run as fast as you can.
Swish, swish.
Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better at JunyTony
where we help you get better in a second.
Oh no! The dinosaurs look like they're sick!
Let's go and help them.
First patient, please come in!
Tyrannosaurus with sharp, sharp teeth. Tell me where it hurts.
I was eating yummy meat. Crack! I broke my tooth. My tooth!
Crack, crack, a broken tooth. Carefully, carefully stick the tooth. Crack, crack, a broken tooth. Carefully, let's fix the teeth.
Second patient, please come in.
Triceratops with cool, cool horns. Tell me where it hurts.
I was playing in the woods. Sting, a thorn stuck in my foot. It hurts so bad.
Sting, sting, a wounded foot. Carefully, carefully remove the thorn. Sting, sting, a wounded foot. Carefully put a bandage on it. Third patient, please come in.
Pachycephalosaurus, the king of the head. But tell me where it hurts.
I was practicing head-butting. Thump! I got a bump on my head. My head!
Bump, bump, a very big bump. Carefully, carefully put a nice pack. Bump, bump, a very big bump. Carefully wrap a bandage on the head.
Thank you, Dr. Junie, Dr. Tony.
Get home safely, everyone. Guys, it's time for the hospital to close.
See you all again next time. Goodbye.
Hello, friends! This is JunyTony Hospital, where we help you get better in a second.
Oh no! The toys look like they're very sick.
Let's go and help them.
Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better. JunyTony Hospital. I'm a cute teddy bear. Teddy bear. My tummy pop full stuffy. Ow! Oh no! What to do? What to do? Let's sew, sew, sew. Let's sew, sew, sew. Let's sew, sew, sew. Let's sew, sew, sew. My tummy is full again. I'm a pretty princess doll. Princess doll. Icky sticky. Gum is stuck in my hair. Oh no, what to do? What to do? Let's pull, pull, pull. Let's pull, pull, pull. Let's pull, pull, pull. Let's pull, pull, pull. I like my new hairstyle. Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better. JunyTony Hospital.
I'm an awesome robot.
Robot.
Both my arms fell off. Creak, creak. Oh no, what to do? What to do?
Let's glue, glue, glue. Let's glue, glue, glue. Let's glue, glue, glue. Let's glue, glue, glue.
I'm ready to save the day again.
I'm a speedy toy car.
Toy car.
My wheels fell off. Clatter, clatter. Oh no, what to do? What to do?
Let's fix, fix, fix. Let's fix, fix, fix. Let's fix, fix, fix. Let's fix, fix, fix.
I have cool new wheels.
Welcome to JunyTony Hospital. You'll get better. JunyTony Hospital. We cured all the toys.
Guys, it's time for the hospital to close.
See you all again next time. Goodbye. Huh? Kitty! My cat is... Oh no! My cat needs to be checked right away. My poor cat! Junie, Tony, I need your help! Junie! Change into a veterinarian. Choopy, 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 choo. Time to change. Choopy, 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 choo. JunyTony into veterinarians. Let me take a look at your cat. The cat has a tummy ache, constipation.
She needs to go. Number 2, take some medicine.
All good. Let her drink water often.
Let me take a look at your lizard. His skin got stuck in his eye.
Eye infection. Carefully get rid of the dead skin. Put some ointment. All good.
Don't forget to put eye drops.
For the animals who are ill, we are compassionate and skilled. Veterinarians will be here for you. Oh yes, we will. JunyTony Animal Hospital.
I want to know if my farm animals are healthy.
We'll be right there.
Let me vaccinate your piglets to prevent disease. Vaccination.
Oink, oink, make sure they are all right. Check if they're okay.
All good.
There's a little cut.
For the animals who are ill, we are compassionate and skilled. Veterinarians will be here for you. Oh yes, we will. Take care of the animals, veterinarians. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Wow, healthy golden poo. Thank you so much, JunyTony. Meow, meow, meow. What's wrong, Tony?
My toy is broken. Mechanics can fix anything. I want to fix things like a mechanic does.
Ta-da! This is for you.
Wow! The Handyman Toolbox I've always wanted. Thank you so much, Junie.
Choopy, 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 choo! Welcome to our repair shop. Little handyman, we are. Little handyman, we are. The wheel came off.
Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see what I can do to fix it. Put a bolt and a nut in, fasten them with a wrench. I fixed it.
Little handyman, we are.
Let's fix, 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 fix.
Little handyman, so are you. As good as new. Oh, the robot arm is shaking.
Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see what I can do to fix it. Slotted head screw cross recessed. Now turn the screwdriver. I fixed it.
This chair leg is creaking.
Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see what I can do to fix it. Hold the nail, bam, bam, bam. Pound the nail with a hammer. I fixed it.
Little handyman, we are. Let's fix, 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 fix. Little handyman, so are you. It's as good as new. One more time. Little handyman, we are. Let's fix, 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 fix. Bring anything that's broken. Let's fix it together. Yeah! Wow, Tony! You're so great at fixing. Ow! Owie! Did you put the tools back in the toolbox? Some tools can be dangerous, you know.
I'll clean up here to be a better handyman. The wrench goes here, the screwdriver goes there, the bolts, nuts, and the screws go here.
Choopy, 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 choo! Like and subscribe!